Today, we begin building a city on the ocean.
The ocean is analyzed to find the perfect location.
The seabed is mapped to support the massive structure. Data reveals the safest zone for construction. Heavy equipment arrives to begin the build.
The construction area is clearly defined on the ocean surface.
Anchoring systems are prepared to secure the city. The first step connects the city to the ocean floor. Strong anchors secure the base beneath the waves. The foundation of a floating city begins to form. The first skeleton of the floating base is placed. The base begins connecting piece by piece. More sections extend the floating structure. The floating city base is now ready.
Internal support strengthens the platform.
Strength is built from below. The surface begins to take form. The base surface is secured. Floating support is added beneath. Balance spreads across the entire base.
Keep it moving to the right.
Okay, I'm pulling my side now.
Precision creates a stable surface. The base is compressed for strength.
Every detail is perfected.
The island edges begin to rise. The structure defines its final shape. Strength increases within the structure. The structure becomes one. The floating city base is now ready. The city layout is carefully marked on the surface. The first building points are prepared. Foundations begin forming at each point. Each base is stabilized for strength. The first structures rise above the surface. Each column is secured for stability. Frames begin shaping the future buildings. Structures begin to grow upward. The first floors take shape. Each layer is locked into place. The city begins to rise. Precision ensures stability at height. Structures begin to take form. The city gains its first visible shape. Movement systems connect each level. Strength builds inside every structure. The skyline begins to emerge. Every level is secured for long-term strength. A city begins to rise above the ocean. The city's road network is planned. The ground is prepared for road foundations. A strong base layer is laid. The foundation is compacted for durability. Water systems are installed below the surface. The network expands across the city.
Energy systems are organized for efficiency.
The underground network is secured. The surface is prepared for finishing. Roads begin to take shape. The city's roads are completed.
Underground tunnels are created.
The tunnels are secured for long-term use. The underground system becomes operational. Systems are tested for efficiency.
The city becomes walkable.
Order is added to movement. The city's foundation systems are complete. Open structures begin to close. The buildings gain solid form. Surfaces are refined for strength and finish. Precision shapes the final structure. Openings prepare for light and air. The city begins to reflect life. Access points are created. Every structure becomes accessible. The city rises to its final height. Structures are sealed from above. Systems are installed within. Infrastructure spreads inside every structure. Spaces are defined within. Interiors take final shape. Movement connects every level.
Systems are tested for safety.
The city gains its final look. Every detail is perfected. The city stands complete, ready for life. Green spaces are planned across the city.
The ground is prepared for nature.
Life begins with fertile soil. The ground is shaped for growth.
The first greenery is planted.
Nature spreads across the city. Trees bring structure to nature. Every tree is placed with precision. Water systems feed the growing life. Life begins to flourish. Water is stored for the entire city. The water network becomes complete. Power infrastructure is installed. Energy flows into every structure. Lighting systems are prepared.
The city begins to glow.
Air systems bring life to the environment. The environment becomes breathable. The city comes alive.
Movement paths are defined across the city.
Control systems organize the flow. The first vehicles enter the city. Movement begins across the city. Traffic begins to grow. Order controls the movement. C access points are prepared. The city connects to the ocean. The first ships arrive at the city. The city begins receiving resources. Supply systems begin operating. Resources spread across the city. Internal systems keep the city moving.
Every movement is controlled and optimized.
Safety systems are activated.
The city prepares for all situations.
The city is now fully operational.
Every system works in perfect sync. A new world rises above the sea. Intelligence connects every structure. Intelligence connects every structure.
Roads become intelligent pathways.
Movement becomes seamless. Energy systems evolve.
The city powers itself.
water becomes fully sustainable.
Life flows through every system. The city evolves visually. The city begins to shine.
Nature meets design. Beauty flows through the city.
Connectivity spreads across every corner. The city becomes one network.
Safety is built into the system.
The city watches over itself.
The city transforms after dark. Life continues without pause. The future now floats above the sea. Life begins to arrive at the city. The city welcomes its first inhabitants.
The city begins to fill with life.
Nature returns alongside humanity. Homes begin to fill with life. Life settles inside every structure. Public spaces come alive. A balanced ecosystem emerges.
Movement connects every part of the city.
Systems support daily life. The city begins to function economically. Society begins to form. Work and learning begin. The city becomes a living world. The city never sleeps. Life continues around the clock. Balance defines the new world. Humanity finds a new home.
A complete world now floats above the sea.
Expansion begins beyond the original city. The city grows beyond its limits. New sections expand the floating world. Expansion remains unified and strong. Infrastructure expands with the city. The foundation of new districts begins. The city replicates its own growth. Growth remains continuous and connected.
We finally made it to the city of the future.
I can't wait to start working on the new modules.
It is beautiful, isn't it?
The city continues to evolve. A new scale of civilization emerges.
Every system works as one.
The ocean now holds a new world.
Humanity reaches beyond limits.
A new era reflects across the sea.
The future shines in the darkness.
A complete civilization stands above the sea.
A single island becomes a world. The future is no longer on land. It floats